How to fix Ask Gemini button not showing in Chrome. If the Ask Gemini button is not showing on Chrome, what you have to do is access the settings. Click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Click on the option Settings that you can see on the screen. Access the settings. Make sure Chrome browser is updated. Scroll down. Find the option for About Chrome. You can see About the Chrome over here. Make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome. If you're not using, it will automatically be updated. Wait until it is updated. After that, click on this option Relaunch. Now once the Chrome has been updated, you should be able to find the option for Ask Gemini. If still this option is not available, it might have been toggled off. In order to toggle it on, what you have to do is find the option for AI innovation. This option will not be available to all the users. If you have this option, click on it. Click on the option Gemini in Chrome. Now toggle on the button for Show Gemini at top of browser. After that, Ask Gemini will be shown over here. Like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. Like this, you can fix Ask Gemini button not showing in Chrome. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.